in such an expression, we have now the meaning of combination. Whenever you have something like this, in combination R, right? N combination R, it's expanded as n factorial over R factorial bracket n minus R factorial, right? So if we have 9 combination x and the other side too, so 9 combination x equals 4, 7 combination x minus 1, right? When we expand this one, we're going to get 9 factorial over x factorial bracket the top minus down, 9 minus x all factorial equals to 4, the top factorial, the down factorial, then the top minus the down factorial, right? Factorial, right? So now, simplify this one. Now, we know that when we simplify the factorial, it can keep on going and going until we end at 1, right? So we can see that when we keep on expanding, we can get a factor of 7 factorial in this 9 factorial, right? The meaning of factorial, whenever you are given a number factorial, it just means multiply the number towards up to 1. If you have 3 factorial, the same as 2, 3 times 2 times 1. If you have 4 factorial, it is what? 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. I can also write 4 factorial as well. 4 factorial. 4 times 3 factorial, because 3 factorial is this, right? So I can come and substitute this for this one. And that's what I'm talking about, right? So 9 factorial can be expanded such a way that it becomes 9 times 8 times 7 factorial. Now I'll end at 7 because I have 7 factorial on the other side of the equation, right? With the same idea, I can expand x minus x factorial. Then I will get x times x minus 1 factorial. The whole idea of factorial is that you keep on subtracting 1 from the number of which you are doing a factorial. So over here, we see that at the top, you have 9 factorial. When we expand, it becomes 9 minus 1, giving you 8. Then 9 minus 2, 7, right? Then 9 minus 3, 6. Then we keep on going. So the same idea, if here is x factorial, when you expand it, it becomes x times x minus 1. I can expand it to x minus 2, x minus 3, but I want to pause here because there's another x minus 1 over here on the other side of the equation, right? So that's why I want to pause at what? I would rather like to pause at what? There's x minus 1 here, right? So when I expand this one, I'll pause at what? X minus 1, right? And this gets 4, 7 factorial all over x minus 1 factorial. I won't expand this one because I know it will go and cancel this one. Now let's simplify this. When you simplify this one, this becomes what? 7 minus x plus 1, right? So everything here gives you what? 8 minus x factorial. 8 minus what? X factorial. I hope we get it. Now we know that when you expand the 9 minus x, it's the same idea. You subtract 1 from the whole expression here. So when we extract 1 from we subtract 1 from the expression, you are going to get what? 8. Sorry, you are going to get the expression itself as in 9 minus x. So the 9 minus x factorial, it will be 9 minus x itself times 8 minus 8 minus x, because we can do cross multiplication, right? So cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we are getting 9 times 8 times 7 factorial all over. Now the 7 factorial over here will come down. 7 factorial times, now this fraction, let me expand it. the ones at the top two are coming, right? X minus 1 factorial, 8 minus x factorial, right? Then first of all, 4 will come. 4. The 4 over here is multiplying, so it comes down to divide. 4 times 7 factorial, right? Times the existing ones. What are the existing ones? X times, oh, so let me use brackets. X minus 1 factorial, then 9 minus x times 8 minus x factorial equal to 1, because if you cross multiply, nothing will be on the other side, but there will be 1, right? There will be 1. So over here, 4 goes here 1, 4 goes here 2, 7 factorial cancels 7 factorial, x minus 1 factorial cancels x minus 1 factorial, 8 factorial cancel 8, right? So we are left with 9 times 2 all over x times 9 minus x, right, equal to 1. So this gives us 18 equals x 9 minus x. 18 equals 9x minus x squared. So we move these things here. X squared minus 9x plus 18 equals 0. So x squared minus 6x minus 3x plus 18 equals 0. X minus 6 minus x, no, minus 3 rather, minus 3, 3x minus 6 equals 0. So you see that x minus 3, x minus 6 equals 0. X equals 3, x equals 6. So this is the explanation and the solution. Hope you understand. Kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and share the link.